Hello, this is Todd. I have a quick video for you today. Um, hey, I did a series of 3 videos ending with a spreadsheet that shows 625 steps to go from $2,000 to a million. And I showed another one on a video before that talking about going through the steps as far as savings according to the doubling every 31 days and how you do it. So the whole point is on this video is to reinforce the idea that you don't just start off attaining a goal by going from your Honda to a Maserati or a Lamborghini or a Porsche or I mean, you just have to grow up. I mean, if you start out that Chevy drive and you might can always still drive that Chevy, and you have the ability to buy that Porsche, that dream car, that Ferrari that you've always wanted. And you know what? For me, I think driving this Chevy Silverado would probably be just as fun as the Ferrari. Although I think the Ferrari would be nice and obviously a lot faster, but 2 different environments. So everybody has their own thing that they think, oh yeah, this would be the status of success. So whatever your status is of success is, just know really the success is in the journey, and the journey is what people don't see. People like your friends and family, you get together with them, unless you get together with them all the time, they might not be seeing your struggles, your failures, you want to tear out your hair when the stock market goes up or goes down, or that business deal didn't go exactly as you wanted and something fell through, or whatever happens. We all kind of go through this, and I try to tell this to my kids too, even when they're going through school. Every semester they go through, and I try to break it down to semesters or quarters. It's much easier now that my daughter is in college, because then it's by quarter or semester. Right now she's in quarters, so. But I tell my son this too. Let's try to get through one semester at a time, because the whole school year is so long. You just can't go from September to June. You got to go all the way through it, and you're going to have these ups and downs. The days that you just do not want to go to school, the days that you went to school and everything just like you did good on your tests, you understand everything on every one of your classes, and you're doing great. And you come home and, hey, I had a good lunch. Just it all lines up together. Got an A in my math test. Dad's like, yes, go for it. All right. If you're doing a business or you're working, you know, your days, your successes, what you view as your successes will be different. Everybody's different. Everybody has something. So we all know the persistence of trying to keep going. You have to stay persistent. We know that there's going to be failures. For every move forward, sometimes you feel like sometimes there's a step backwards. Your stock went up today, you wanted to sell it, you held on because you're in traffic, it went down, and the next day it went down even further, and you lost out. Now you feel like you're a bag holder and you're ready to pull out your hair, and you're like, oh, did I do the wrong thing? And you're just kind of like you're disappointed in yourself that your discipline wasn't there for you, even though you feel like you're making the sacrifice, right? But once again, it's staying with it, that dedication. Keep plugging away, keep being disciplined, because disciplined people staying with it, that will overcome a lot of this. That persistence and discipline and dedication will get you through to the next side. And if you invest in a quality stock like Bank of America, maybe it went down and you wanted it to go up 30 cents or $2 or $3. It has the ability on a quality stock like that to come back up and get you that $2 or $3 or get you back to break even or a little bit more, you know. These are the things that people just don't see. And this little iceberg illustration really points it out. The struggles we all go through. Everybody wants to show this, but we might be here, you know. I'm sure a lot of us were here and feeling all of this during COVID, especially if you're out of work. You know, imagine being out of work and then coming back, getting a job, and getting back on top of things. And you're feeling great, and you're working hard. Stay with it. All right, I'm keeping it short. If you enjoy looking at this, great. Hopefully, this is more motivation for you. Please like my page, more likes. I love to get into the monetary area. And if you like it, please send a PayPal donation. Got college to pay for. Take care.